Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to look at Veracity and I want to share something very important with you, which I feel you should know. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. This is only for education purpose. I'm not a financial advisor. So please do your own research before you take any of your decisions. So let us begin this video. And guys, we have just crossed 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So thank you very much. If you are a subscriber, thank you for supporting this channel. If you haven't subscribed till now, I invite you to please subscribe and help us grow this channel. There is a special giveaway that I have kept on 18th of Jan as celebrating my 1,000 subscribers. This is a chance to upgrade your trading skill. So 20 lucky people will get one free training session of my Bitcoingem mentorship program. I do a Bitcoingem mentorship program, which is a 1-year program, and I will contribute one session to 20 lucky people. They will be able to attend that session absolutely free. And it is going to be an amazing session which will develop your trading skills. It will build the right foundation. And if you want to take benefit of this session, all you have to do is follow me on Twitter and you have to be subscriber of this channel, and this tweet you have to like and retweet. These are the only three conditions to for you to win this session. It's an amazing session and I believe learning should never be compared to any monetarily value, because learning can help infinitely in any point of time in our life. But if you go and check the monetary value of one session, I charge $150 for one session. So a session worth 150 USD will be given free to 20 lucky people. I hope you guys participate in this and you get a chance to participate in my session. So let us go to the VRA chart and let me directly come to the point that I want to highlight today. We are not going to analyze price action today. This is not what something I want to do. You can see what we are looking at right now is a VRA weekly chart. We are currently sitting on a weekly support. It's on a monthly support, which is highlighted on in green lines. If you can see, there are different supports that I have highlighted. So the green line that you see are all big monthly supports for VRA. And we are currently sitting at a monthly support. What I want to highlight is on this weekly chart, if you observe this torch RSI, there have been 3 times in this VRA weekly chart where the torch RSI has been this low. The first was in 5th of October to around 16th November. This was the VRA price when the Stoch RSI was this low. The second time it was in May of 2021, when from 24th May till 26th of July, so almost 2 months, the Stoch RSI was this low, and in that VRA went from 0.25 cents to around 0.006 or 7. And then we started a new wave. And currently again, the Stoch RSI is this low since December. Let me see the exact date. Since 13th December, it has been this low. Now, something very important, Stoch RSI can go on being this low for a long period of time. What this is indicating that it is in a super bearish trend and in a capitulation zone. So this can go on for a long time. Please do not mistake that it will immediately go up. As you can see over here, the Stoch RSI was this low for almost more than 2 months. Even here it was for more than 1 month, 1.5 month. Over here we can go on for more than 2 months or even more than 6 months. I don't know. I am not here predicting when it will go up. My point is that whenever Stoch RSI has been this low historically, not just with VRA but with any asset, when the Stoch RSI is this low, eventually when it starts trending up, you ride an entirely new wave. Similarly, over here, you can see when in 2020 it was this low, and then it started going up, and this was an almost 100x pump. Similarly, when it was this low and it started going up, and this was almost a 10x pump from 0.006 to 8 cents, so almost 12x pump. Similarly, whenever we start bottoming here, can it be this month, next month, it can be 6 months later. I don't know that. Again, I'm telling you, please realize that it can be any time. But my point is, whenever anyone has accumulated in this zone, when the Stoch RSI has been this low, traditionally till now, they have gone multiple X's, their returns when we start a new pump. Eventually, it has to bottom. You have to realize this. Nothing can go on this low forever, especially something that is fundamentally a good asset. It cannot go on like this forever. It has to ultimately bottom out. So, buying something when Stoch RSI has been this low is always been an amazing opportunity to accumulate before the next pump. So what ideally I do whenever Stoch RSI has been this low, I start DCAing at different levels. So my buy orders are spread because even I don't know when we will bottom. Nobody can time the exact bottom. So you don't know when it's going to bottom. You can spread your buy orders. So you can accumulate some at this zone, you can accumulate some at this zone, you can accumulate some at this zone. We might even go lower. I don't know. Nobody knows. My point is that whatever, however much ever low we go, it is always an opportunity to accumulate more at a cheaper price because you are buying it at its bearish trend. So you are buying it at its bearish zone, at its worst zone. And that is what will help you get amazing entries. It's the difference of going for 5x, 10x, 15x is to get amazing entries. When you get amazing entries of an asset, you can easily make 5x, 10x, 15x. So, and you also have to realize that whenever it has been this low, it's always created a new all-time high till now. And it's still a very small market cap. So again, creating a new all-time high is not something unreasonable. Even if we look at this trend line of all-time highs, this is a trend line of VRA all-time highs. Okay, it's following this trend line 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 weekly confirmations for this trend line. So even in this next leg up, if it goes, whenever it goes, I don't know when it will reach to its new all-time high. This is assuming then this trend line will come in play. So if you observe this, then let's assume we bottom here or we bottom from here. I don't know. I'm just assuming this. Then it's at least 750 to 800% depending on the time we take. So it's between 750 to 1000% pump in a next leg up conservatively. This is conservatively speaking. Of course, at one point we will break this trend and go parabolic. But even if we don't, then this entry will give you a amazing 7x to 10x opportunity when you keep entering at these zones. So depending on your strategy, depending on your risk management, depending on how you trade and invest. Either you buy here and you stake VRA and forget about it, because ultimately we will pump and then you can start, or else you DCA into different zones and whatever is your strategy. But this has been one of the best opportunities. Also, till now, traditionally, whenever somebody has bought here, when the stock RSI has been this low, we have never visited that low again. So there's these entries are almost perfect entries for VRA. Looking at this chart, of course this chart is very new, it is just a 2-year chart, so there is not much information to analyze. Even 10-year charts in markets are new, but this is a relatively very new chart to look at. But what I can say is, guys, this is one of the best opportunities to DCA, to accumulate. Either DCA, either buy, and if you are ready to hold, then buy and stake it. Even if it goes lower, you are earning passive through VRA, and ultimately it has to bounce. So depending whether you are able to catch bottom, you keep buying at different levels, or you buy and stake. In my opinion, this has been one of a very good buying zones for VRA. What I see is we certainly are going to take a longer time right now. I don't know how long, because even on the monthly we are extremely bearish right now, and currently we are holding a very important monthly support. If you had seen my last VRA analysis video, we bounced exactly from this point which I had mentioned over there. Go and look at that video if you want to see. I will also make a new VRA analysis this week, but this is something what I wanted to show you, which in my opinion is very important. Hence guys, I made this video. I hope you found this video of some knowledge and it gave you some insight. I again welcome you to participate in this giveaway and get a chance to do this training session, because it is going to be a personalized session where I'll give personal attention to this 20 lucky people. So don't miss out, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you once again very much for 1K subscribers. I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.